Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the salient features of genetic code. There are around 6 features of genetic code that we have. So let's talk about it one by one. The very first feature here we have is genetic code is present in triplet form. It is present in triplet. We have a total of 4 bases A, U, C, G in the RNA and these are present in triplet form. So if we check the combinations, there are around 64 combinations that we get. Out of these 64 combinations, 61 codes for 20 amino acids, 61 codes for 20 amino acids and 3 does not code for any amino acids. So these 3 codons are known as stop codons. These are the stop codons and these 3 stop codons are UAA, UGA and UAG. These are the 3 stop codons that we have. So whenever these codons come, the translation process stops at that point. Now the second point that we have, which is a feature of genetic code, it is unambiguous in nature. Unambiguous means one codon codes for one amino acid only. For example, UUU will code for the amino acid phenylalanine. This is the second feature of genetic code. Now about the third feature. Third feature in this we can say that the codon is degenerative in nature. It is degenerative in nature. That means there are certain amino acids which can be coded by more than one codon. For example, GCU, GCC, GCG and GCA. These 4 codons can code for only single amino acid, which is alanine. These all code for alanine. So that is why the code is degenerate in nature. Now the fourth point is the codon are read in a continuous fashion. There are no punctuations. So that means these are commaless. These are commaless. So whenever we write a code, there are no punctuations, there are no commas. So that is why we call it as these are commaless in nature. This is the fourth feature of genetic code. Now let's talk about the fifth feature. Fifth feature, it states that genetic code is universal in nature. It is universal. That means a particular codon codes for the same amino acid in all the organisms. So in all the organisms, one codon codes for the same amino acid. For example, UUU will code for phenylalanine in all the organisms. But there is an exception to this case. There is an exception. There are a few in mitochondria and in protozoa, the codons which codes for different amino acids. So exceptions are present in the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, and certain protozoans. Right? Now the sixth and the last feature of genetic code, it is about the codon AUG. Now AUG codon has a dual function. It works at codon. It works and it also codes for methionine amino acids. It also codes for methionine, which is the amino acid. So I hope you understand this topic, the salient features of genetic code. If you have any questions, you can write in comments. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.